guys, it's another brand new day once more again. Welcome back to my channel. My name is DJ Ko and this is Lakbaylaag channel. And for this video, we're gonna do some another field trip. I don't know what it calls, but we are here in the house of my friend. Shout out to Kuya Rosen and his family right there. Today we're going to, we're going to the beach, and I don't know what's the other plans, but let's find out. And what we're gonna do is let's enjoy this day and another adventure. So stay tuned. Here, and of course we're starting to build a fire. Judah Rian, shout out, walang jowa yan. Joke lang. Yes, so what we have here is we're going to a lot of smoke. We're going to build a fire for our fish grill, and of course enjoy this place once more again as always. So it's because it's, I don't know, there's no, I don't know, just a moment, just nothing important, nothing special today, but let's make it special. So yeah, let's enjoy and stay tuned. So alright guys, it's time for eat lunch, and we'll finish our grill right there. So yeah, so let's eat na. Actually we have a sweet potato and I don't know what it calls. We call it a local term, calibre. So yeah, tara. Here's another new spot, Lahos. It is Lahos. Welcome to Lahos. So look at those the waves right there. Okay, as you can see, there's a rock formations over there. So let's enjoy the spot, this place. The local caught some fishes, and it's really fresh, you know. And yeah, it's a really wide area here, and let's look for a spot where we can enjoy and chill. And I saw some little lady. So yeah, let's take some videos, something for this area. There's some kids right there, they're swimming. So sige. Hi. Hey, do kak ya? Oh, sugoi ne. Diyan na kayo, okay ra? Okay, sige. Hey guys, they have a lot of fish caught here like this. It's a lot of fish caught by Kuya and his team. Okay, salamat kayo. So guys, what's the fun thing here? I found my friend here.
Hello guys, what's up?
What's up? So we met in school, and of course he's a teacher now.
No, I'm not. Di ba akong teacher? It's not.
Soon.
Soon.
Soon, yes, soon.
LPT soon.
Yes, soon. He will be a good teacher and senpai.
Someday.
Yes, so salamat kayo na kita kami karon.
It's okay.
It's been a long time, no?
It's been half year?
Half
No.
year. No, I think like Oo. Grab. I didn't know that. Dali ka pala, no? Dali ba that ka? I didn't know, guys, that he's from here.
Unexpectedly
Yes, so unexpectedly we meet in here.
in
Yes, in Lahos. Yeah, in Lahos. So yeah, so he's bonding with his family. They're having pictorials right there. And sana all. So thank you so much.
so much. Have a nice day.
Nice as well. So guys, thank you so much. And I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video namin. Sa video ko ito. Wait lang, why am Tagalog? So thank you so much for watching until here, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. See you on my next adventure.